Hello, welcome back. And let's prepare some sauté mushroom, onions, and peppers. Go nowhere, let's create. So here I have a handful of mushrooms. I have some onions, chopped, and then I have some sweet pepper. I'm using the mini ones. You can use anytime. You can use green, but I prefer for this one the red and orange ones. You can use bell peppers, whatever. And I have a little bit of fresh oregano. My pan is actually medium high, but I'm going to raise it up now. I'm going to put it high. Put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Let it heat for like a few seconds. And first thing I'm going to put here are my onions. See how sizzling? And move them around a little bit. Because you don't want them burned, you want them sauté. You want them sauté. Put those mushrooms too. Continue sauteing. Add a little bit of the mixed butter that I showed you earlier. Continue sauteing. Ooh, this smells good. Add the pepper. Continue sauteing. And then you come and add a little bit of the oregano. Put the heat to medium so it doesn't burn. You continue with the sauteing. Now you don't want this to taste bland, so what I do is you add a little bit of salt. Not the big chunks I was using earlier. You use more the sea salt, but you want it fine. Let me transfer to my hand so I can have a good look. Put a little bit. Some pepper. Call it pepper. Some pepper. I do that to just thicken my accent a little bit. Pepper. Like salt and pepper. From back in the 80s and early 90s. The rap group. They used to look very hot, those ladies back in the day. See how it's turning? Kind of nice looking, colorful. It's not mushy with oil or anything like that. You know, I'm keeping it real. Yeah, nice. Let me change the angle of the camera so you can see. See how nice it looks? Nice, nice, nice. And they're about done. I would say about another maybe 30 seconds. Continue to do this for about another 20 seconds, 30 seconds. And then you move them to, take them out of the heat and move them somewhere else. Because you don't want them burned. And you really don't want them soggy. In fact, I'm going to take them out now. Turn the heat off.